South Korean stocks faced a sharp decline on Tuesday following President Yeol's invocation of emergency powers and the shocking declaration of martial law. The South Korea ETF index, which tracks over 90 major South Korean companies, dropped as much as 7%, hitting a 52-week low. While the ETF recovered slightly, closing down by 2.6%, it marked its fifth consecutive negative day, with trading volume reaching over 27 million shares, more than 8 times its average. Major companies also saw significant losses in their US ADRs. The market turmoil was exacerbated by fears of instability in South Korea, the world's 13th largest economy. South Korea's economic data also added to investor uncertainty. November exports grew at their slowest pace in over a year, rising just 1.4%. Shipments to key markets, including the US and China, dropped, while a strike at an auto parts manufacturer and weather-related shipping delays further disrupted trade. The country's currency, the South Korean won, weakened by nearly 2% against the US dollar, amplifying concerns about the future outlook for Asia's fourth largest economy. Meanwhile, South Korea's financial regulator said that it was ready to deploy over $7 billion in a stock market stabilization fund if needed. And our correspondent Susan Tehrani reported further on this. Listen in.
The South Korean president's unexpected declaration of martial law led to significant market disruptions. The South Korean won depreciated over 2% against the US dollar, reaching a 2-year low. Also, the KOSPI index fell nearly 2% at the opening, with major companies like Samsung and LG experiencing declines. U.S. listed South Korean stocks and ETFs also saw losses of up to 6%. Now, following the National Assembly's unanimous vote to overturn the martial law and the president agreeing to do that, it did lead to some recovery in the markets, but ultimately, in response, South Korean authorities have pledged quote-unquote unlimited liquidity to stabilize the financial market. Regulator preparing for a $10 trillion won fund for market stabilization. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.